Many lending companies today offer financial assistance to borrowers in need. Loans vary depending on the lender's requirements and the length of the repayment term. The payday loan is a type of an unsecured loan which has a short repayment period. It is called payday loan because repayment is expected to be submitted by the end of the month or when the borrower receives his/her paycheck. Are you thinking about acquiring a payday loan anytime soon? If yes, then this article was written for you. To avoid making a wrong decision, consider the following advice before applying for a payday loan. Know your purpose. Do you really need to take out a payday loan? What do you plan to do with the money? Is it really that important? Payday loans are generally quick and easy to acquire, but it doesn't mean that there are no risks involved. Despite the easy process, payday loans often have high interest rates, and failing to submit payment on time could become a serious problem. Look for other options. If you really need money at this time, have you considered other possible options aside from a payday loan? For instance, do you have a friend or relative from whom you can borrow cash? Can you sell a personal belonging to produce cash? Weigh the pros and cons of acquiring a payday loan and consider alternatives first before deciding that a payday loan is the most viable solution to your financial problem. Check the lender's reputation. Not all lenders that offer payday loans in the market can be trusted. You need to make sure that a prospective lender abides by the lending laws of your state. Since the specific laws vary from state to state, you should also be aware about the lending laws that apply to your own state. Check the lender's background from the BDB Better Business Bureau and make sure that there are no cases of fraud filed against the company. Watch out for hidden costs. Some payday loan lenders may try to make profit out of the expense of their borrowers by not revealing all the fees. After signing up for the loan, you might be surprised to find out other fees that you need to pay aside from the interest rate. Examine the fine print. Do not let the small text or the length of the document discourage you from examining the terms and conditions. Read each and every statement. Scrutinize details. Understand the lender's policy, the rules, and the costs. If there are blank spaces in the contract or if there are statements that seem vague, do not sign up the document. Instead, do further research to make sure that you are not being ripped off by your chosen lender. Plan repayment. Missing your payday loan payments for 2 or 3 consecutive months can instantly put you in a bad credit situation. Before you know it, you could be stuck in bad debt and repayment can prove to be a burden. It's important to be able to submit your payment on or before the due date to avoid incurring increased rates and late penalty fees.